guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zenia, and in this video I'm going to be sharing the review of this Nivea body lotion. This is the Nivea Extra Whitening Body Lotion. Cell Repair SPF 15, visible results in 2 weeks for all skin types. So they claim that there's going to be body whitening within 2 weeks of regular usage. So I've been using it for more than 1 month. It's not that I got it for extra whitening, because I do have that common sense and I know that these products cannot whiten your skin at any cost. But of course, I was so tired of trying all the blue variants of Nivea body lotions that this time I just thought of trying something new. So I got my hands on this one. So I have got the biggest packaging. You get smaller packagings as well, and this is the 400 ml packaging, and the price, the MRP is 399, but I paid 226 rupees because there was some kind of discount going on in Flipkart this winter in the month of November or something. So I paid around 226 or 28, and for 400 ml, and of course the shelf life is 3 years from the date of manufacture, the normal shelf life. So they say it's for all skin types, but I would like to say that if you are a person having super drying skin, then this is not going to help you. So for super dry skin, this particular body lotion is not going to moisturize or hydrate your skin. But if your skin is oily and normal, and it is just a little bit on the drier side but not super dry, like normal to dry, not super dry, if your skin type is normal to dry, then you can go for this particular body lotion. It is hydrating, it hydrates your skin, it moisturizes your skin, and it does not leave your skin sticky at all, and it is non-sticky, and hydration power is really good. But super dry skin, it's going to be of no use. Then you can use the Nivea, the blue variants. They are all really good. Yeah, you can go for the Vaseline, the brown packaging, the chocolate, yeah, cocoa variant. You can go for that. That's quite hydrating and moisturizing. Now this is how the consistency of the body lotion is. It's runny because it's not that thick, and it gets easily absorbed into the skin, and within seconds it gets absorbed, and it will not leave your skin sticky at all, and it does not whiten your skin at all with regular usage. And if you think you will become white after using this body lotion, you are completely wrong. It's not going to whiten your complexion at all, but it's definitely going to even out your complexion a little bit if you use it for a very long period of time. So little bit is going to be evening out your complexion, but you're no way going to be whiter. And yeah, it's quite hydrating. You see my hands feel quite hydrated and moisturized, yet it is non-sticky. But if you're super dry and scaly like that, it's going to be of no use. Well, overall the product is quite good for normal to dry skin, but for super dry, no, it's not good. For summers, this particular body lotion is good, but for very strong winter season, when your skin gets that stretchy and dry, I would not recommend for the winters. For summers, light moisturizer is nice. It hydrates your skin for good 6 hours, not more than that. After that, you have to reapply it, and the smell is quite good. The packaging is nice. It comes with the pump packaging. With smaller packaging, you don't have the pump, you have to pour it like that. Well, packaging is quite hygienic. You do not have to dip your hands or fingers inside it, which is quite good. I like it. And yeah, it would last you one winter, probably 1 year, or probably 8 months with regular usage. And it has SPF 15 claims, but I don't know how much. I mean, it's not written anywhere that it has SPF, PA++ or anything. Nothing is written. And it is a very lightweight moisturizer. It's not that rich textured moisturizer. No, it's a very lightweight moisturizer, good for summer season and good for people having oily to a little bit of dry skin. For super dry skin, I'm mentioning it for so many times, it's not going to help you at all. And it repairs your skin cells, and it contains 50 times more of vitamin C, which is really good. I don't know how true it is, but that's what they say. But it doesn't whiten your skin, I'm telling you guys. So yeah, so that's it. I definitely recommend this product for all the winter, for all the summer seasons, and for people having dry, I mean normal to dry skin or oily to dry skin. But for super 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 dry skin, this is definitely not going to be of any help. So I don't recommend this particular lotion for super 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 dry skin. So anyways, it's a good product, and yeah, I'm enjoying using it. The smell is good, consistency is good. This big packaging is not at all travel friendly, so if you want to travel, you can just go and get your hands on a smaller packaging, because that's available as well. So that's it for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.